won't say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and I just wanted to film this look for you guys today. It's my official birthday look. I am obsessed with it. I love it. It's like super classic me, just like a half cut crease, a bold lip, fall lip, love it. Very good base. As you guys can see, like I'm telling you guys, I love this. I am so excited for you guys to see how I got this look. It is super quick, super simple. It looks difficult, but y'all know me. I'm not into a lot of difficult things, so it was nice, it was easy, and I would high-key recommend that you guys try this look out. Tag me in your post, of course. But I'm just gonna stop chattering on because y'all know I can go on forever. And just jump into today's video. As always, all of the products will be listed down below in the description bar if you wanted to know what I used. But before we jump into today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The button is down there. Go ahead and just click it. Y'all know you want to, like you've already been here a million times. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gilly. Now let's jump into today's tutorial.
Say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you. You are. And the only thing that's better is you the things that
Alrighty, y'all, so this is the final look of the day. I am obsessed with the way this look came out. Like, honestly, it came out way better than I expected. This is super nice. This is super like fall, sultry, sexy, everything. I really love this outfit, the lace, just everything. I'm obsessed with this. Hair is my current fave, obviously. So yeah, that's really all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this style of just a quick get ready with me, no talking, none of that. Just a nice calm time to watch someone do their makeup and get ready and see the excitement. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. But before we leave, please don't forget to, just go watch another video of mine. Go ahead, they're all over the place. The links are down below. Go ahead and watch another one. And then before you watch the other one, subscribe to my channel. As well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gillyy, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.